Hello, in this video, I'm going to be going in depth into step 7 of the onboarding process, which is adding calendar crews or crews that will show up on your schedule. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to settings and labor and crews. Now we have some here already, but I want to take a quick note. First, here is how we add a crew. We can add the name of the crew, what division they are in, striping, stone, other, and click the foreman, and click save. So, first thing, if you don't have any divisions in here already, what you are going to want to do is come in and add the divisions or the type of work: asphalt, concrete, stone, striping, seal coat, etc. Come in, add your division, name, what office it's to, and save. And then you can add your crew to the division, and then you add employees to the crew. So we have Alex works on asphalt crew 1, 2, and 3. He kind of floats around a little bit, however you have it set up. Another thing to note in crews is if we go into crews, we can select a color for that crew. So asphalt can be red, seal coat can be yellow, whatever it is, however you have it set up. That way you can see. And so a quick showing here, I can show you, we don't have anything scheduled, but if I scheduled, if I schedule this job by clicking schedule, and now I can click and place it. Now we can see we have our black bar here, which indicates asphalt. We have it for subcontractor A, and the blue color here is associated with the salesperson that created the job.